Hello. Today we will see how to create an order in Shopify to Odoo first. We will click on Order after going to Order. We will click on Create Order after creating order. We will select the product. We will select the product. For example, shirt, I change the name of the shirt from bottle. Click on bottle. We will click on Add Product. Product will add, and you will increase the quantity of the product. The quantity of the product is 21. We cannot take the quantity of the product as 21 because the limit of the product is 20 in the stock. We can take 19 and 20, but we cannot take 21. Okay, we take 5, and then our product is 5K total 5 items. In an IGST, 18% has been added, and then final result is 708. Then we will send invoice. If we send invoice, it will be redirected to our mail. Product information will be invoiced to our mail. Please just wait, you will see. Send invoice here, we will put our mail here, we will put message. Optional here, we can put CC carbon copy and blank carbon copy for now. We will cancel. This we don't want to put here. Okay, cancel. Then mark as paid. We will mark as paid till we don't mark as paid. This will not be fulfillment. This is our Shopify order ID. Now we will check product is created or not. Yes. Product is created. There is no customer. In this customer is blank. Customer is blank. Total price is shown here. We will put customer, for example. I will take customer. Here we will see customer details. Customer information will be shown. Then we will see how many orders this customer has taken total 6 orders. Then we will save this. We will check if our customer has been added or not. Yes, our customer has been added successfully. Now we will go to this and mark as paid. Create order. Our order was in draft. Now our order is in fulfillment stage. Now our order has been created. Order has been paid. Now we will fulfill this unfulfilled. When we will fulfill, mark as. Then this order will be fulfilled. Now we can put tracking number or by default. For example, I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this too. I will select Amazon on shipping career. Then I will mark as fulfilled. Mark as fulfilled. Our order has been created for specific customer address. Yes. This is tracking edit. Here we will see tracking number and Amazon logistics. Then we will see delivery method shipping. Now we will go to order. Then we will go to instance. Then we will click on sync orders. Then we will see pop-up success order. Sync is finished. Then we will click on order. Then we will see if our order has been added or not. First, we will see if our order has been added or not. This is not our order because our total order was 708. This is 600. So this is not our order. See, this is not our order. Now we will go to order here. We will find where's our order. We did not take helmet in product. We will go to orders. We will check. Total price is 708. Now we will find that this is our last order, 708 fully invoiced. Now we will click on it. After clicking on it, we will see all customer details. We will see order ID of Shopify. This is order ID of Odoo. This is order ID of Shopify. We will see in the product what we bought, how many quantity, how much invoice. Unit price is 120 IGST, 600 Indian rupees. Now we will go to shipping. We will check on delivery. Yes. We can see order already in delivery. Now we will validate it first. We will install it. Now we will validate it. This order is validated. Now we will push tracking to Shopify. Yes. Already tracking updated successfully. We got tracking ID. This is our tracking ID. We will track from Odoo. Shopify payment status. Payment method is manual. Now we will go to Shopify tracking here. We will see our orders created. Yes. Our order is ready for shipping. We will see paid success. Shopify tracking update. Shopify payment method. We will see all customer details here. We have general information. Shopify fulfillment ID, order ID, payment method tracking.